Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another airdrop opportunity, and the project name is Openmind. Openmind is a company that builds many robots, works on their development, their research, and does various types of work. Their vision is to create robotics in the future, robots that will work with us, make our work easier. You can go to their website and read about it. As for the funding, they already raised 20 million, and if you look at their investors, you will see big names like Pantera Capital, Coinbase Ventures, along with lots of tier 2, 3, 4 investors backing them. If you visit their X profile, you will see they have a huge 152k followers right now. Also, they are really active here to build a strong community, which is another positive sign. Before joining, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you could miss lots of airdrop and crypto updates, so join now. I'll provide the link in the description. So about a month ago, they opened a wait list. If you already joined, then you have a high chance to get OG roles, which is now for limited users. But the good news is you can still join their waitlist. For that, you need to visit this page. I'll provide the link in the description. After landing here, you need to enter your email. Then you need to choose your password. Then click on join waitlist. Now it asks to verify your email. So check your email for the code. Copy the code. Then paste the code here and click on verify. And here you will successfully join the waitlist and you can see your ranking. Now here you can connect your X profiles. So authorize the app and done. Also here you can connect your Discord account as well. But right now they have some errors, so you need to wait for the joining. Now here you will find your referral link which you can share with your friends, and here you will see your total points earnings. Now click here on completing onboarding tasks. Here you will find some basic tasks which you can complete to get some points. So let's click the first one, take survey. Then start survey. Then enter your name and continue. Then enter your email address and continue. And here you can answer the questions. After answering them, click on submit and it's complete. So the first task is complete. Similarly, you can complete this easy X task as well. But for some reason right now it shows an error. So you can try later if you also face this problem. Now if you already joined the waitlist earlier, then right now you can join their app as well. Recently they just launched an app for Android and iOS users. So basically you need to download this app. So install the app. After installing, open the app. Then here sign up using your Google account, or you can sign up using Apple ID. After signing up, you might see this message if you just joined. Basically you need to wait, but if you join their waitlist earlier, then you can access this app by entering your email and password. After that you see this app like a map. Basically what's here, they provided that you need to map your surroundings. So basically what do you need to do? You need to walk. You don't have to take 10 rounds of your house. You need to explore a bit of the area, walk a bit further slowly. So what will happen? There will be mapping. The more signal mapping happens here, the more points you will be given. In the profile section, you will see your total points, your ranking, and also the toppers on the leaderboard. So I'll try to make a complete video on this app. If you want, then write yes in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, then please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.